Hello guys, good morning. It's me again, Benita Ogalesco. At thank you so much for watching my video. And yes, I want to shout out Jeans TV, Marcel Tinoso, and Annalisa Abdullam. Ayan guys, if you want to subscribe them, please check their channel. Ito po yung channel nila. Ayan. Ayan guys, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Today is I'm going to teach you how to blow dry. Ayun, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys kung paano ako mag-blower ng buhok. Okay, go! Hello guys! Okay, ito yung mga gagamitin natin sa pagbo-blower natin. Okay, kaya kung nakikita nyo, if you can see, I have 5 pieces of hairbrush, but I will use only one. Okay, I just want to show you guys that what is the use of this one. Okay, this one is to divide the hair, so that you will not put this one down to find another like this just to divide the hair. So it's already here. Okay, and the other brushes you will not notice it, but it's here. You can just remove this one and put it this way. Okay, like that, and then yeah, it's ready to use. And then when you finish, just put it back. And also this one, it's the same. Yan. This one is very expensive, but yeah, I like this one. Look. Different kind of brushes, but you can always find something like this. Okay. Oh my god, this one is strong because it's new. So yeah, that's why. Oh my god, beautiful, yeah. This one is beautiful. Shiny. Yan. Okay, so yeah, this is the brushes that I will use. This one, this one is new, but I have this one is already used, so this is what I will use. Okay guys, and yeah, we need this one, hair clips, and blow. Paghawak ng blower, okay? Ayan. Tapos, kung makikita nyo, yung mga brush may ganito. So, yun yung ipangkukuha nyo, ganyan. And then, itong pinky finger mo, ayan, panghawak mo ganyan. Tapos, sana matuto kayo guys kasi ang lupit nito. Ayan. Kaya 1, 2, 3. Tapos, hold it. Okay, put it here. And then, ayan. Again. Ayan. Ayan. And then, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Let it go down. Again.
Hindi na may natira pang garlic. Yung bangs niya, siya na yung gumupit niya, niayos ko na lang. Kaya ganyan siya ka-sip. Korean.
Okay guys, ayun lang. Tapos na ang ating blower. Sana nagustuhan nyo at sana meron kayong konting natutunan sa ginawa kong video for today. At yeah, thank you so much again. See you on my next video. Bye-bye.